turn an old clothes dryer into a soil mixer. Stay tuned. We acquired this old clothes dryer out of a trash hauler and totally disassembled it, took all the electronics out of it, and where it was 220 volts, the motor that's in it actually is only 110 volts. So I wired it directly, and we've just been using it to mix up our compost. Alright, so what we've got here is some composted wood chips. This actually came from the Budweiser Clydesdale farm that's just down the road from us. And this was their bedding, and my uncle actually gets that, and he composted over a few years. And it just makes a really nice rich soil. This black dirt here is actually a topsoil. It's a little bit of a compost mix as well, and it's got some vermiculite in it. So what we're going to do is mix some of this topsoil with the rich Clydesdale compost and some sand in our clothes dryer. As you can see, it mixes it up pretty well. We've got the black and the brown and the little sand particles in there. So we're going to add this straight into one of our planter buckets. It works really well to keep it running though and allow it to load the shovel. Hey, thanks for checking out our video on our dryer turned into a soil tumbler.
Be sure to like and subscribe, and follow us on Instagram. We'll leave the link below.
Also help our channel grow. Share this on your social media. We'll see you on the next one.